What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Truck L. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about my brake chamber. How much did the brake chamber cost me? And also how much in labor I had to pay to get the brake chamber installed. Drop the intro. So as I was doing my post trip to close out my night, I heard an air leak. So I listened closely to see if I could find where it was coming from. Now, I finally figured out where it was coming from. It was coming from one of my brake chambers. If you listen closely, you can hear the air leaking from the chambers. So I called TA, and this was the phone call when I got on the phone with TA.
For roadside service, press 1. For parts and service, press 2.
TA Bordentown, Lauren speaking.
Yeah, how you doing? I wonder if I could bring my truck in to get the brake chamber checked out.
Yeah. It is probably like a 4-hour wait right this second.
Okay.
Yeah, you can totally get that checked out.
Now, do you have brake chambers in stock if I need to replace it?
Some of them, yes. They'd have to look to see which kind you got.
If I give you a VIN number, would you be able to check? I'm sorry?
I was doing something on my computer to try to get back to the screen where I could possibly look it up.
Okay.
Do you by chance have the part number?
No, I don't have the part number.
I don't really have where I can look it up by VIN. I can definitely look it up by part number, but
I have a Freightliner Cascadia 2021, and it's the drive axle left side, the middle axle.
from the looks of it, we should have it in stock.
Okay, cool. Man, you said 4 to 5 hours wait time?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's currently anyway. It could change by the time you get here.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'll come through and hopefully, it's a shorter wait or,
Sure,
All right, thank you.
not a problem.
All right, bye. After my 10-hour reset, I headed over to TA. As you could hear, the air leaking from behind my dashboard. So hopefully I make it there safe without my brakes locking up. Damn! Looks like somebody split their flatbed trailer in half. I sat at the waiting area while the mechanic looked at my brake chamber. Yeah, I was watching.
Can't get it till tomorrow.
Oh, man. After the mechanic at TA took a look at it, they couldn't get the part until tomorrow. And this all started Saturday night. And then I took my 10-hour reset, and on Sunday morning I went over to TA. But all the shops where they get the parts from are usually closed. So I ended up leaving out of there and called my wife, and we started making plans to figure out how we're gonna get the part. Now, just for the inspection, they only charged me half an hour, which was a total of $75. I decided not to drive my truck anymore because it was unsafe to do so, so I left it at the TA. Then my wife came and picked me up, and then we started making some calls to go try to locate where we could find the part. While my wife was on her way to pick me up, I called several different shops, and I finally found this one shop that was open till 5. After she picked me up, we went this a couple of errands, and then I went and picked up the part. Over the phone, I was able to give them my last 6 of my VIN number, and they looked up my make and model for my truck, and they did say they had the brake chamber in stock, and I also needed some bushings, so I picked them up too. Yeah, I mean, and then this is what I need, right? Okay. What's my total? Yeah, man, I'm gonna keep coming here, man. You're a good guy, man. Thank you for having me.
You can save this check and straight to me, maybe, okay?
Okay, cool. So I ended up also buying 3 bushings for my leaf spring. They were $75 each, and for the actual brake chamber, it was $125.56. Looks like that flatbed trailer is still there. But anyway, on Monday morning, my wife took me back to the shop to pick up my truck around 7 in the morning. I'm taking the truck to a shop that I frequently go to get the brake chamber installed. If you ever bought a brake chamber, write it down in the comment below and let me know if I overpaid for it or was it close to the price, because I paid $125 for it. Let me know, all right? So I made it to the shop safely without my brakes locking up on me. They knew I was coming, so they put me right into the bay and started working on my truck. It took them about 1 hour to get the whole job complete. On the ground is the old brake chamber that they removed from my truck, and on the seat is the brand new brake chamber that he will be installing in my truck. So TA charged me $75 for half an hour just to check the brake chamber, and the actual brake chamber was $125, and the labor at this shop was $135 to install the brake chamber. Without tax, it came out to $325. I did not include tax in the total I just gave you guys. Now, after the work was complete, I was on my way to pick up my load, and this is what happened. So I'm helping this truck driver back up. He came in the wrong entrance. He came to the employee entrance. He's supposed to go over there, over that way, and he's in the wrong entrance. Wait. Oh my God, he took the sun. Yo, watch this, watch. Yo, watch this, watch that. Listen. Watch that on the floor. It's gonna pop your tire. Right here. Pull forward. Which one? Wait, bro. No, listen. As the driver was backing up, he did not listen to the hand signal I was giving him. He started backing up, so I did my best to help him back up the street, so that way he did not get into an accident. Go this way. All right, go this way. All right, go this way. Yeah, go that way right there. You see where the white truck coming out? The white truck. Yeah, it's right over there. So you go around, all right? All right, man. Have a good one. Oh my God.